Hello everyone, in this video we're going to continue working with the chat. We have our backend ready, so let's just okay. Burn my Visual Studio Code close, so we need to I just update it. Okay, so in this video we're going to basically start working with the front end. So let's go to our front end here, and then components and layout. Let's create a new layout. Let's call it main chat.js. Okay, and then here basically let's do our RCFE main chat just like that, and let's save that. Now let's go to our home. So in our home we're going to create some states. We don't need that. Let's just delete this. We're not using this. Okay, so here we're going to create some states. The first one will be called hands test channel, and here set test channel. Let's copy this one, paste it here, and also we're going to have chat data set chat data. Okay, just like that. And you might be wondering, why are we adding this? Just basically the test channel and the chat data here in the home. Well, basically we need to, when we change the server, we want this like information to be like updated because we're in a different server. So this chat, we want to like basically like clear it, or you know, that's why we put it here in our home. Okay, so we have that. So now we go here to our server net, and we pass those two to the so set test channel. We don't need the test channel. We just pass that set test channel here. Set test channel, just like that. Because when we change the servers, we want to update that one. And here we also pass the set chat will be equals to set chat. Okay. As I said before, this is just basically when we change on the server snap, we update that information. So okay, so now here in our server, we do need the test channel. So you just put test channel will be equal to test channel, and also we need the set test channel. Set test channel, and we also need the chat data. So chat data will be chat data and the set chat data. So set chat data will be set chat data. Okay, this is pretty long, but basically, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, we pass that to the components, to the props, so we can call it in our components. Okay, so now let's go to our server snap, and in here, so when we click on each basically like server here in our nav, we want to clear the main chat and all of that. So here let's put props dot set test channel. Let me open the home. Okay. Let's paste it here. Props, remember we get it from the prop set test channel. Let's put null. Okay. And now props dot is set chat data. We want to put it empty array. Remember, it's should be an empty array because it's an array. So let's save that. Okay, so when we click on each one of these, will be updated just like that. Okay. Okay, we got that ready. We got the server snap. We got the home ready. So what we need to do, we need to basically, when we click on the server, we want to basically change the test channel that's like activated, right? So when we need to create a new function here. So okay, so down here we're gonna create a new function, and this function will be called handle click, just like that. This one, take a parameter and event. Okay. Okay. And we're going to update the pros set test. Let me just open. Okay. Remember, we're passing that to the server too. Set test channel will be the parameter, just like that. So now when we click on, let's go to the bottom here. So when we click in one of these like test channels, when we click on those, we're going to update the set test channel. So here in our anchor link, we're gonna have on click. We're gonna have our handle click, remember, that we just created. And then here we put bind this, and then here we pass our test channel ID. Okay, just like that. Okay, test channel. Okay, so we got that. We save that. So now we can update the basically the test channel that's active. So when we click on that, we'll update the test channel for all the components. And when we click on one of these sign nav servers, it will be like clear or empty, pretty much. So yeah, got a handle click. Sure. Okay. We can just let me just pass the whole like texture. Let me just pass that. I'm going to pass the whole like object here to the test channel, not just the ID. Okay, so we remember change it to test channel. Okay, so let's close that. So we got that. Now we can go to our main chat here. Let's put here props. Let's go to our server first. Oops, here. So in one server we have like a column like with a size of 2 here, but we're having like 2 more spaces here. So down here This is where our column with 2 spaces ends. So here we're gonna have a div class name, and here column. This column will be 7 spaces. This is where our main chat is going to be. Just like that. This is where our main chat is going to be. And we have like 2 left. So class name, column is 2. Oops. Okay, just like that. Okay, now we need to let's go to the top here and let's import main chat. Oh yeah, it's just important there. Okay, so now we copied main chat and we go to the bottom. We pass our component here, our main chat component, and here close that like that. And then here we're going to pass the test channel. So test channel, we get the test channel from props. So props that test channel, chat data from oops. Okay, so here chat data will be props that chat data, and set chat data be from props that set chat data. Okay, also we need to pass another one. Let's call it will be if it's admin, because if it's admin we're going to have the functionality of delete a message. So if it's admin, we pass its admin. We get it here. Remember, it's admin. It's from our state. We pass that there, and oops. Also, we pass the server details. So server will be server detail, and we pass the ID, because remember we need the server ID to verify if this user is an admin. So we pass the ID here, and this is our main chat component, right? We pass all of the things that we need. We don't need to pass the set test channel because we changed that here in our server. Okay, and then here we're gonna have in the future we're gonna have our members. Okay. So yeah. So let's save that, and let's go to our main chat. So in our main chat we have props and all of that. If we go to our model, we're going to have let me check. Input, I think it's just element block box block content media object, I think. Okay, so yeah, we're going to have like a kind of like this structure to send a message like this one. So yeah. And we're going to do that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.